Where are you going?
To the airport.
Where are you going?
To Japan.
Japan? I'm going to Japan. Guys, where are you going? Laki ng fan, no?
Laki.
Yan ako na. So, ngayon pumila lang kayo dito.
Ano po?
Airport na kami. Wish ko yan. Wait. We're at the airport now. We need to go to the toilet. Toilet first. Toilet first, guys. Ano po? Ito Menchi, o nagmamaoy. Kawayan nyo. Ayan. Ano ka mo sa biyahe? Busog? Busog?
Ano, ganda mo yan. Ilan yung outfit nyo doon?
Monta ka ba? Tatlo ka dito. Tatlo! No, it's... Ikaw hawak ng
Kuya.
Hello. Kakain kami.
Kahit kami ng Jollibee.
Jollibee. Wala pa Jollibee dito.
Natin ang Singapore na yung baby pa kayo doon.
Nope. Wala kami.
Pangalan.
Going to Jewel.
Tirol. Jewel. Paano
Ayan. Bakit? Gutom na? Dali lang naman siya. Titingin-tingin. Ito na.
Dito nagtatrabaho yung
Layo din. That's the Jewel Mall. That's the Singapore. Look. How is it? Isn't it so beautiful? Look at the Singapore.
umulan dito. Malaki ang umulan ba dito?
At last, we're here. After a bit long. Bulikat.
Ay,
Bulikat.
bulikat.
Let's go shopping first. Pera na lang ang kulang. makakapag-shopping na tayo. Where is it, Link Bridge. Okay, there's the famous McDonald's that we've been looking for. So we have to find a seat so we can fit McDonald's. Yeah, I know. We need to find a seat. Maghanap na kayo ng upuan.
Wala na nagsiservice. Alas. Kapapit ka si mama dito.
Hulaan nyo kung sino nasa loob ng toilet na ito. Anong kanyang ginagawa? Kababalaghan. We're taking an MRT. Huwag mamulot.
Hi, I found a bowl. Oh my.
Ano, takas kasi. Kaya nga kayo.
Nag-check me.
Sabi ko bilisan nyo.
Sinek me po.
Nagkaano pa talaga. Yeah, first time.
Oh, it's so dull.
Put it here. Here.
Oh.
Go inside. Nice. Ang dami!
That's actually good.
Is that really good?
Good.
Is it good? Is it so tall?
Yes.